Bahrain Bourse, often known as the Bahrain Stock Exchange (BSE), is the country's stock exchange. The exchange currently has 42 firms listed, and they are denominated in Bahraini dinars. The Bahrain Bourse (BHB) is followed by three indices: Bahrain All Share Index, the Dow Jones Bahrain Index, and the Estirad Index. Foreigners can buy, sell and hold bonds, mutual fund units and warrants of domestic joint stock corporations as of 2015. Foreigners who have lived in Bahrain for at least a year are allowed to buy, own and/or sell up to 49% of a domestic joint stock company's shares. An individual foreigner, on the other hand, cannot possess more than 1% of a company's issued capital. Bahrain's economy is highly reliant on oil and gas. The Bahraini currency is the world's second most valuable currency unit. Bahrain has made significant investments in the banking and tourist industries since the late 20th century. Manama, the country's capital, is home to a number of significant financial institutions. Bahrain's financial industry is thriving. The City of London's Global Financial Centres Index ranked Bahrain the world's fastest expanding financial centre in 2008. The banking and financial services business in Bahrain, notably Islamic banking, has profited from the regional growth fuelled by oil demand. Bahrain's biggest exported product is petroleum, which accounts for 60% of export receipts, 70% of government income and 11% of GDP. The second largest exported product is aluminium, which is followed by finance and building materials. Bahrain is the fourth freest economy in the Middle East and North Africa area, and the 63rd freest economy in the world, according to the 2020 Index of Economic Freedom. Bahrain is ranked 70th on an alternative ranking issued by the Fraser Institute. Bahrain was recognised by the World Bank as a high-income economy. Bahrain's economy is dominated by oil and natural gas. Despite efforts to diversify the economy, oil still accounts for 85% of Bahraini budget income, according to the CIA World Fact Book, implying that decreased global energy prices have resulted in large budget deficits in recent years, roughly 10% of GDP in 2017. Bahrain is a wealthy country in the Middle East and North Africa, MENA, with an economy that is based on oil and gas, international finance and tourism. Bahrain, unlike its Persian Gulf neighbours, has little oil riches, therefore its economy has diversified into finance, heavy industry, retail and tourism. The kingdom is the Persian Gulf's primary financial hub and a centre for Islamic finance, which has been attracted by the industry's robust regulatory environment. Both foreigners and Bahrainis are exempt from capital gains and dividend taxes. The Bahrain Open Data Portal website is a great resource for equity research on the Bahraini market. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.